Blooming House is a sustainability-oriented floral design studio. We cater to the hospitality sector, the retail sector, restaurants and event venues.
We are currently in New Covent Garden Market, which is the floral hub for the United Kingdom. This is a place where we come in to do our daily floral shopping. We buy our flowers, we buy our foliage, we buy some of our pottery in here too.
When we started the business, we realized how complicated the whole logistics are behind the floral sector. We have flowers coming from Ecuador, you've got tulips coming from Holland, you've got anemones coming from Italy, local flowers coming from all around the UK. When we started the business, we thought it'd be very important to try to reduce the impact that all these logistics and transport have on the floristry sector. So the first thing we decided to do was to address floral waste. This is obviously the largest amount of waste that the business generates. So all of it is collected and composted. It's sent to a facility outside of London, and then it gets transformed into compost that then can be used for British farming. To date, we've composted around 15 tons of flower waste.
One of the biggest challenges for every flower design studio in this world is flower foam. It's a plastic. We don't use it in our studio. We've designed custom containers, and everyone can do this as well.
Another waste initiative that we have is drying the petals of the flowers into natural confetti. After an event, we collect the flowers, we send it to Confetti Club, and what they do is that dehydrate these petals and turn them into natural confetti. The floral industry unfortunately relies a lot on plastic, so a lot of the flowers that we get from suppliers are all wrapped around in plastic. This plastic is unfortunately not widely recycled in the UK, so we had to find organizations which were able to repurpose them. We've partnered with Ricora, so we send this plastic separately and then they transfer them into storm boards, so which is used in building insulation or construction material, boxes or benches and things like that.
Every bouquet that we make in our studio is wrapped in the compostable ribbon and a compostable biofilm, and then afterwards shipped in these boxes.
The special thing about these boxes is that they're made from 70% upcycled cardboard. Once we addressed all the waste streams, we started looking at carbon. That was the next step. So looking at electric vehicles, for example, looking at 100% renewable energy for our studios. Once we addressed waste and carbon, this is when we started moving on to certifications such as B Corp and Planet Mark. So we really wanted to look for a framework, something that could tell us that we're going in the right direction. That's how Planet Mark helped. We've had a 29% reduction in market-based emissions, which we're very proud of.
It's exactly why we started Planet Mark. We think any organisation, any size, any sector could and should be measuring and reducing carbon on an annual basis. We're super proud that you're our first florist to be Planet Mark certified. We think that being B Corp certified as well is a really good thing. But the combination of the two, I think, demonstrates real leadership.
For our suppliers, to be honest, it has been a bit more of a challenge. Traceability within the floral supply chain is quite underdeveloped compared to other sectors at the moment.
Part of the reason why we've managed to build such strong relationships with our clients is because we care about the sustainability. Having a partner like Planet Mark allows us to see very, very in-depth what could we do to get better, how could we measure this, how could we engage ourselves and the businesses and our partners into getting better. Everyone always thinks that an innovation comes from thinking outside of the box, but in fact you have to look inside of the box, because it's your friends, your neighbors, it's the ideas you have within the community that are actually going to make you thrive.